Hi friends! Artificial intelligence adoption isn't one with infrastructure or models, it's one in the space between people, trust and behavior. In this presentation, we explore why culture is the real driver of AI transformation and how we can close the gap between tools and usage. You see, technology is rarely the roadblock. Culture is. If the mindset doesn't shift, tools stay unused no matter how powerful they are. In this aspect, infrastructure can be bought, models can be trained, and tools can be deployed. However, culture cannot be magically installed or created from nowhere. When people don't trust what the AI says, they won't act on it. And it's a fact that trust doesn't come from slogans. It comes from clarity, reliability, and making the technology understandable. AI isn't a static tool. It learns, evolves, and improves through experimentation. A culture stuck in rigid control patterns suffocates that process. If mistakes are punished, no one experiments. Without experimentation, AI adoption never moves beyond the pilot stage. Psychological safety is what makes learning loops possible. The only way not to make mistakes is to do nothing at all. And doing nothing is the surest way to fall behind. This isn't about avoiding accountability, it's about creating a safe space to learn fast, correct fast, and move forward smarter. AI works best when it's everyone's tool, not just IT's. Real adoption happens when end users are part of the design, not just recipients of an announcement. This can be achieved with cross-functional teams that have a certain level of autonomy and the time and environment to innovate. That's how collaboration turns into actual impact. A good story makes AI meaningful. It's the bridge between a technical feature and a human purpose. Without narrative, tools feel like noise. With it, they feel like progress. For example, when a retailer frames AI as helping every store manager make smarter daily decisions, adoption grows fast. People see the purpose, not just the platform. Even the best tool won't survive if it doesn't align with what people are measured on. Incentives turn passive availability into active engagement. In this aspect, AI and its tools must not just feel like a side project, but a core part of how success is achieved and recognized. When people see that using AI directly contributes to their goals and growth, adoption stops needing to be pushed. It starts pulling. When something new enters an organization, people don't just analyze it, they feel it. If AI threatens routines, power structures, or job security, resistance is almost automatic. It's not defiance, it's a natural reaction to uncertainty. That's why leaders must communicate with transparency, explaining clearly how AI will affect roles, responsibilities, and opportunities. When people understand what's changing and why, they lower their guard. Trust starts at the top, and clarity is the best antidote to fear. Machines learn fast. Humans resist quietly. The real lift is helping people unlearn old ways of working so AI becomes natural rather than forced. When tools are built but untouched, the culprit isn't code. It's trust, incentives, story, safety, and leadership alignment. Technology without cultural readiness is like an engine without fuel. The fix to the adoption gap isn't more features, it's cultural alignment. When trust, incentives, safety, collaboration, and narrative line up, adoption happens naturally, not by force. AI doesn't create cultural change. Culture enables AI change, and it's undoubtedly the most strategic lever in any AI roadmap. Wrapping up, we realize that the future of AI in any organization isn't built on infrastructure alone. It's built on trust, story, incentives, safety, and leadership. When culture leads, technology follows. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found the subject as exciting and thought-provoking as I did. If you'd like more insights on AI in data, digital transformation, and other tech trends, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.